Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was in the grocery store yesterday and ran across this cauliflower pizza crust. I've never used a cauliflower pizza crust, and I said, I'm gonna see what this is all about. So guys, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna bring you along with it. I've never eaten cauliflower pizza crust. I've never prepared it, never cooked on it. We're just gonna see what happens here, guys. So if you don't mind, just come on along and join me. All right, I can see already this is not the perfect crust. It's got a bit pieces missing, and I got a little crack right there. That's all right. We're gonna work with what we got. This is just a trial to see if I even like this. I just got this little squeeze, but I use this stuff a lot, this little pizza sauce. I love it because it's in a squeeze bottle, and I don't waste any because I just put it right in the fridge. Let's come in here and I'll get a spoon, spread this out some. You've seen this before. All right. This is just some Italian seasoning I have on hand here. Just gonna sprinkle it lightly over the surface. And throw a layer of this mozzarella cheese on there. Can't forget about the pepperonis. I don't know if I like that cauliflower or not, but I'm gonna like everything else, I assure you. Alright, I cooked up some just hamburger. I'm just gonna throw on here. I got way too much, but that's okay. We'll use it on another cook. Guys, let me know. Have you tried cauliflower pizza crust? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And just because I got them on hand here, I got some mushrooms we're going to throw on here. I ain't going to put a whole lot. And lastly, I just got some leftover bacon here. We're going to break it up. Throw her on. Gonna be delicious, folks. I mentioned leftover bacon to my brother a while back. He said, I don't think I've ever had that kind of bacon. Finally, I'm just gonna add just a little bit more cheese on top. Marvelous, marvelous. Let's get this thing in the oven. We are cooking on the Emerald 360. It's just big enough to hold a 12-inch pizza, which is what we got right here. Okay, the instruction says to preheat to 450 degrees and cook for 8 to 12 minutes. You see, I got it. I hope you can see that. It's set for 27 minutes. I'm just going to watch it. When I'm cooking on this, I like to go just over and keep an eye on everything. So we're going to preheat it, but then it says before you put the pizza in, to lower it to 425. I don't know why that is, but we're going to try to follow the directions on this. We're going to let that preheat, and we'll be back and put the pizza in. Okay, we are preheated. I'm going to go ahead and lower the temperature down to 425, just like it says. Get this on in here. We'll see you in about, I don't know, 10 or so minutes. Alright guys, we're actually about 13 minutes in, 14 minutes, somewhere in there. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, get her over here to rest for a minute. See if that cauliflower crust will slide off. Yes, it will. Alright guys, let's get this thing cut up. That had that crack in it already. I'm gonna try to follow that same crack when I cut this. Let's get in here, get us, see what we got here. Cauliflower crust. I don't know if I can see the, it's not bad. Look at that, guys. Let me get Mama a slice or two of pizza and I'll come back and do a taste test with you. Cauliflower crust pizza. It looks good and it smells good. Let's see what it tastes like. It's pretty tasty to me. I just want to break off a piece of that crust right there if I can. You know, that's pretty good. It's not pizza though, but it is good. I think it's pretty tasty, guys. I'd do it. I don't know if my kids would like it, or grandkids, but I'd certainly eat that again. I'm looking back at Mama who's taking her first bite of it. What do you think? You can be honest.
Not bad.
Not bad? I don't think so. So, okay. We've been trying to be on a little bit of a health kick. Not that pizza is healthy by any stretch, but anytime you can cut back a little bit, you never know. So guys, thank you. I just seen this at the grocery store yesterday, and I said, you know, I'm gonna try it. The kids ain't here, it's just me and Mama. Perfect time to try something new. So that's what we did, and I decided to bring you along. Glad I did. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know down in the comments, do you like cauliflower pizza crust? Simple question, let me know. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. And be sure to hit that bell. It lets you know every time we post a new video. So folks, thank you as always. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.